Good morning, Eastern Stars.
Today is Tuesday, January 10th, 2023. I'm Charlotte.
I'm Mr. Cooper.
I'm Brennan.
I'm Lainey.
Who's subbing in for Caitlin this morning? Lainey, what's for lunch?
For first choice, we have beef soft taco. For the second choice is bean and cheese burrito. Salad bar is soy butter and jelly.
Not beast soft taco, that's beef. All right, got it. No birthdays, so what's the weather gonna be like?
The weather today will be cloudy and a chance and 35 degrees.
35 degrees, kind of chilly out there. I do want to give you all a little reminder about a certain window that we are in. You know how we practice? We know how we practice drills here at Eastern. We do fire alarm practice where we'll go outside. Well, we're in a lockdown practice window. So sometime in this window, maybe even today, we might have a practice lockdown where somebody over the alarm will say, kind of like that, good timing, Bell. Somebody over the alarm will say we're practicing a lockdown. And for us in fifth grade, it looks like we kind of gather in this corner and lock the doors, and the teachers might step outside and say something like, you know, check for, they'll say lockdown and check for students. If you're in the bathroom, just come out of the bathroom, go into the nearest classroom. It's just a practice, all right? So that might happen. Just kind of be ready for it. If it happens today or tomorrow or some other time, we're in the window. All good?
Yeah.
All right, these guys are all good. So we have moving on to another announcement.
Here is a sports announcement for you. If you want to see some intense basketball games, come to TC Central's gym tonight to see Traverse City Central take on Traverse City West. The girls' game starts at 5:30 and the boys' game starts at 7. Let's go Trojans.
All right, let's go Trojans. Anybody going?
I might. My brother
Maybe?
might, so then I might.
Okay, no, well, I'm going to try to make it to one of those games. The girls are really good this year.
Yeah,
Some of
they
my
are.
former students are on the team. I think they're 7-1 or 8-1. Yeah,
Yeah.
the boys are good. They're just, the record's not as good. We got some shout outs.
Miss Wright would like to give a shout out to Cora Cook from Miss Culver McBride's class. She helped a student in the cafeteria who spilled all of her food on the ground. Thanks, Cora, for being kind to others.
Nice job, Cora.
Miss Wright would also like to give a shout out to Miss Brad's class and Miss Height's class. Both classes were working hard and star behavior down the hall. Miss Wright noticed them being very attentive to others' learning and had 0 or 1 voice's volume.
Nice job, Miss Brott and Miss Height's class.
Miss Wright would also like to give a shout out to all staff members here at Eastern. She's very grateful to work at a place with such amazing people.
Oh, Miss Wright, that's such a nice compliment.
Me?
Now, we have, oh, wait, Lainey just came up with another shout out.
I would like to give a shout out to Miss Wright for being very helpful and just being an amazing person to everybody.
So Miss Wright just got a shout out back at you. All right,
Shout outs to
let's look at one cool thing that I got in the classroom. I think everybody's going to be able to figure this out, but last year we had a pet snake in the classroom. It was really cool. You know how hard it is to measure a snake, though? They're always wiggly and twisty, but this snake shed its skin, and it was a perfect shed, and I came in the morning and I put this dowel through it. So this is this shed from last year. Look how long this snake was. And then check out right there, its mouth and eyes. That is a pretty cool snake shed. Hopefully we catch another snake this year. We can bring it into the classroom. Maybe it'll be this big from here to here. I think it was like 33 inches. All right, creature adventure for you right there. Let's send them off, guys. That's all for today. Remember to be
Safe, trustworthy, attentive, and respectful. Be a star. Have a tricky Tuesday, and please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.